Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manually check for a Windows update. So it's pretty simple. All you need to do is come over to the taskbar on your left hand side here and then click on the search bar and then type in settings, and then inside of the settings you want to find the update and security tab, which should be the last tab on your screen, and just left click it. And then inside of here, you're going to see the Windows Update, and then you're going to see a Check for Updates button. All right, and then hit Check for Updates, and then give it a second. It's going to take a little bit to check for an update, and if there is an update, it will let you know, and then you can usually just restart, and you can actually just download the update on top. So you can just hit download, it'll start downloading it, and then once it's done downloading, you can restart and you should be chilling. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and have a great rest of your day.